Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to crochet this chunky scarf here. So this is Premier's Chunky Cotton in the color Sky Blue. It is 100% cotton. So the length of the scarf is approximately 84 inches. That's with the fringe. If you decide not to add fringe, it will be approximately 70 inches. The width is about 10 inches. You can see that the stitches are very loose. I wanted it that way, so I used a 12mm crochet hook. I did add fringe at the ends. I'm just going to crochet a sample. If you want the pattern, see the description box for the link. Okay, work your slip knot and then chain as long as you want your scarf. Any number, doesn't matter. So for the scarf, I chained 79 stitches, but in this sample, I'm just going to chain this much, which is 8. So you want to work one single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So here's the first one, and that's the second one. And I like to turn and work into the spine, the back humps. Insert your hook. And then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Continue across, working in every chain stitch, one single crochet. I do want to say that this yarn here is super bulky weight, even though the yarn that I used for the actual scarf was a chunky number 5. So it was a bulky weight. This is my last stitch. Remember, this is going to be the length of the scarf. Row 2, chain 1, turn. We're going to work into the back loops for the rest of the pattern. So this chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So into the first stitch, you want to go through the back loop. Here's the front loop. This is the back. Normally you would go through both. Okay, one single crochet. The back loop of the next stitch, one single crochet. And you're going to repeat that across. And last stitch. So that's basically what you're going to repeat. Chain 1 and turn through the back loop, one single crochet, and repeat across, one single crochet, back loops of every stitch. Mine was a total of 19 rows. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 18, and then 19. For the fringe, you're going to use 2 strands for each of these rows here. And so there's 22 strands. So you have 11 sets. So you will find the ridge of the scarf or anywhere you want. I just chose the ridge part as where I'm going to add the fringe. So I'm going to place the strands into the space there. And then you're going to take the ends and put it through the loop here and then just tighten. So just weave in your ends when you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.